Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this simple video, I'm gonna show you how you can cut a video in the CapCut apps. This is basic tutorial, but maybe there are some of you who don't know, especially those who are new using CapCut. Alright, after you add the video to your project and you want to cut some part, it's so super simple. You can select part because you can click on the clip and select part that you want to split, that you want to cut, and then you can select split, split, and then you can select split again on the part you like. And to remove the part, you can select the clip and then select delete. Okay, you can cut again, remove. So that's it. Yeah. So basically, but I hope the tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done it already. So thank you so much for watching.